Pediasure and Nan-Grow claim to the best of their efficiency that they are the best drinks and packed with all the nutrients which our kids need are given to the picky eaters actually. I must say, is this only the hype or they stay true to their claims? This video is about that thing only. Don't miss it. Watch it guys. You will regret if you will not watch it. Watch it the whole. Thank you. Let's start it. Hi friends, this is your physiotherapist consultation Dr. Pratibha Jha. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing good. And this video is about the comparison between two health drinks of kids, Pediasure and Nan-Grow. Yes, both are considered as very much nutritional drinks, and whenever we think about any supplements to give to our kids, we definitely think about these two. Yes, and unknowingly we don't know what's the ingredients, is it really beneficial or it's just the hype. But I'll be clearing all the hypes now only and telling you about the ingredients of these two and how they can help our kids in growing up, in gaining weight, in gaining height, in gaining energy. Are they really beneficial or it is just nothing, just a wastage of money? I'll be making video on this topic only today. So let's start it. Let's not waste the time. The very first thing which I would be discussing is ingredients of Pediasure. Yes, the ingredients of Pediasure are skimmed milk powder, sucrose, edible vegetable oil, soy oil, high oleic sunflower oil, maltodextrin, fructooligosaccharides, FOS 1.9%, medium chain triglyceride, MCT oil, flavoring, minerals, vitamins, myo-inositol, taurine, lutein, L-carnitine, lactobacillus, acidophilus, 0.001%. Now, what does this drink claims? This drink claims that it is packed with 37 vital nutrients which provide all the nutritional requirements which fulfill all the nutritional requirements of our kids aged 2 to 5 years. Yes, there is a Pediasure which comes for above 7 years also, but I'll be discussing the Pediasure which is made for kids 2 to 5 years. Yes. Now, Pediasure is given to picky eaters kids who doesn't like to eat much or are just throwing too much tantrums in eating. So it fulfills the nutritional deficiencies of our children, So let's discuss the ingredients now. The very much first ingredient is milk solids. That is good. We are having no problem with the milk solids. Now the next thing is fructooligosaccharides. Low calorie, non-digestible carbohydrates. These are that can improve food taste and texture while aiding immunity. Yes, bone health and the growth and balance of important bacteria in the gut. I have written all these points after so much of research work. So overall, the fructooligosaccharides are really good. They boost our immunity and they help in improving the gut bacteria also. So these are good. Now the next ingredients, MCT oil. MCT oil helps to improve the digestive health of the kids. Yes, that is really good. It helps to improve the digestive health of the kids, and it also improves the quality of bacteria in our gut system. Now the next is myo-inositol. Myo-inositol, it is possibly safe when taken by mouth up to 12 weeks in children's ages 5 to 12 years old. But we are discussing here 2 to 5 years actually. This is actually safe, it doesn't cause any problem, and it can actually prevent any kind of lung conditions, any kind of lung diseases. Yes. Now the next is taurine. Taurine is an amino acids which helps to absorb fat. Yes, absorption of fat occurs because of taurine also. Taurine only. So that's also good. We are having no problem for this also. Now lutein. Lutein helps to improve the vision of our kids. Yes, lutein is a carotenoid and it helps to improve the vision. That's a very good thing which is included in this Pediasure. Now the next, L-carnitine. L-carnitine boosts the metabolism. That means boosting metabolism aids in the actually hunger also. It increases the hunger in kids, and thus our kids feel the hunger and they eat easily. Now that's a very good thing. They start eating actually. Now the next thing is Nangro. Yes, Nangro also is a very good drink. I'll be discussing its ingredients now. The first thing is Nangro ingredients: milk solids 71.2%, demineralized whey 14.2%, soybean oil, corn oil, minerals, oil mix, low crucic rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, high oleic sunflower oil, docosahexaenoic acid DHA from Cryptoconium coney oil, antioxidant 304 and sequestrant 330, emulsifier soy lecithin, choline bitartrate, and vitamins. These are the ingredients. The very first is demineralized whey. Yes, demineralized whey contains lactose and serum proteins with high nutritional value. Yes, it contains serum proteins with high nutritional value. This is very much good thing. Now, docosahexaenoic acid. It is essential for neurological and visual development. Docosahexaenoic acid is actually very much good for visual development, especially in our kids. It also enhances the brain function. It tackles the allergies also. Now the next is soy lecithin. Soy lecithin is a food additive that comes from several sources, one of them being soya. Yes, it's generally used as an emulsifier or lubricant when added to food, and also has uses as an antioxidant and flavor protector. That's also good, no harm at all. Now the next thing is choline bitartrate. It's used to produce the important neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is involved in memory and other nervous system functions. It enhances our memory. Yes, the choline bitartrate is used in enhancing the memory in our kids. That's really very good. I must say both the drinks are really very much beneficial. There is absolutely no problem. Whether you choose the Pediasure, whether you choose Nangro, these two drinks are really good. That's my conclusion. After so much of research work, after making notes, I have written all the things, and both the drinks are really good. You can surely definitely give 2 drinks to your kids. After doing all the analysis work and after doing all the research work, this is my final decision. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it like, and don't forget to share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.